Hi dear students, welcome to our channel Maths with PHANEENDRA. In this video, I am going to discuss about the complex numbers previous JAE mains type questions. Let us have a discussion. Z is a complex number of unit moduli mod Z is equal to 1. Then argument of 1 plus Z by 1 plus Z bar is equal to. So first what we have to do is Z is equal to, we know that x plus iy. So that implies that Z bar complex conjugate x minus iy. Okay. So we know that property Z bar is equal to 1 by Z. That means Z into Z bar is equal to unit, 1 unit. Okay dear students. So what for I am writing here, come to the question. Argument of Z plus 1 divided by 1 plus Z bar. So this value we are going to calculate. So argument of, here I am taking 1 plus Z as it is, I am writing in the numerator. In the denominator, in place of Z bar, I am going to replace with 1 by Z. So 1 plus 1 by Z. Since we have the formula Z bar equal to 1 by Z. So now take LCM of argument of 1 plus Z divided by, here Z plus 1, and here denominator Z is there, no, that it comes in the numerator. So 1 plus Z get cancelled. So you will get argument of Z. So argument of Z, we know that simple one. In the previous videos I mentioned, argument of Z is equal to tan inverse of y by x. What is tan inverse of y by x? That is equal to theta. So Z is a complex number of unit moduli, and then argument of Z1, Z plus 1 by 1 plus Z bar is equal to theta. So the answer is theta. It is given in the JEE Mains 2013. I hope you understand, dear students. We'll move on to the next question. If Z is equal to I into I plus root 2, then Z power 4 plus 4Z cube plus 6Z square plus 4Z equal to. So this is also online 2013 question. So how to proceed? This is a very simple one. Z is equal to I into I square plus I into root 2. I square value minus 1, iota, we know that. So minus 1, we can take this side. Direct step I am writing. Z plus 1 is equal to I root 2. So squaring on both sides, you will get Z square plus 2Z plus 1 is equal to I square value minus 1, root 2 whole square is 2. So minus 2. So minus 2 also we can take this side. It comes as Z square plus 2Z plus 3 is equal to 0. Squaring on both sides again. Why? Because they are asking to find Z power 4 plus 4Z cube. So that is the reason. So A plus B plus C whole square expansion. Z power 4 plus 4Z square plus 9. Okay. Next 4Z cube 2AB. Next 2BC plus 12Z plus 6Z square is equal to 0. From this only turning step, dear students. So in the question they are asking 4Z cube plus 4Z, Z power 4 and 4Z cube. 4Z power 4 plus, here I am mentioning 4Z cube and 6Z square. As it is, we will keep it here. 4Z cube plus 6Z square. So except these terms, if we keep the remaining even 12z also in this question here 4z extra it is there, no? So 12z I am writing as 4z plus 8z. That 8z I am writing this side, so minus 8z, and here 4z square and 9 also I am taking into this side, so it comes as minus 4z square minus 9, so which is equal to minus 8z minus 4 into z square value. From here z square is equal to minus 2z minus 3. Okay, so that you can replace here z square value. So minus 2z minus 3 and minus 9. So minus 8z plus 8z plus 12 minus 9. These two will be cancelled. 12 minus 9 equal to 3. So the answer is 3, dear students. So logically, step by step, once you go through, so just I am turning according to your convenience. If you want to take the screenshot, you can. So now move to the next question. Let z and z bar are two complex numbers and mod z is equal to 1. Z is equal to 1 minus z bar, then theta equal to. So the options are given. So z is equal to, we know that, x plus iy. Okay, so obviously z bar comes x minus iy. Okay, after that mod z bar, that means modulus of a complex number, is equal to 1, it is given. So modulus of a complex number means what? X square plus y square is equal to 1 only, no? So keep it like this. And one more condition it is given, z is equal to 1 minus z bar. So z is equal to 1 minus z bar. Z means what? X plus iy is equal to 1 minus z bar means x minus iy, multiplying by minus x plus iy. So plus iy get cancelled. So minus x we can take into this side. You will get 2x equal to 1, x equal to 1 by 2. X is equal to 1 by 2. Substitute in this. You will get 1 by 4 plus y square equal to 1. Y square is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4, that is 3 by 4. That implies y is equal to plus or minus root 3 by 2. So two possibilities of y is there. So y is equal to plus root 3 by 2, y is equal to minus root 3 by 2. So based on this argument, you can calculate theta equal to tan inverse of y by x. If we, by observing the options, all our positive angles are there, so you can take y value only positive. So don't consider this one. So tan inverse of y value is root 3 by 2 by x value 1 by 2. 2 to get cancelled. Tan inverse of root 3. So tan inverse of root 3 is equal to pi by 3. So 60 degrees. So theta equal to pi by 3 is the right answer, dear students. Which are all online questions, online JEE Mains previous questions. I hope you understand. I will move to another set of questions. Two more questions I will explain. In the coming days also I will come into the line online live classes. Yeah. So the next question, z1 is not equal to 0 and z2 be two complex numbers such that z2 by z1 is a purely imaginary number, then the value of 2z1 plus 3z2 by 2z1 minus 3z2 is. So this is also online previous JEE Mains question. So what we have to do is, So first z2 by z1 is given as purely imaginary. So given simple z2 by z1 is purely imaginary. That means I. So z2 by z1 wherever it is there, it comes as I. So now modulus of 2z1 plus 3z2 divided by 2z1 minus 3z2. So dividing on both sides by z1, so 2z1 by z1 plus 3z2 by z1 whole divided by, so 2z1 divided by z1 minus 3z2 by z1. So it comes as mod 2 plus 3, z2 by z1 is purely imaginary. So you can write it as I by 2 minus 3I. I hope you understand, dear students. So modulus of a complex number mod z2 by z1 is mod z2 by mod z1. So modulus of a complex number mod 2 plus 3I by mod 2 minus 3I. So that is equal to root over 4 plus 9 root 13 divided by root over 4 plus 9. So root 13. So the answer is, so for the given question, the answer is 1. So the value of 2 mod 2z1 plus 3z2 by 2z1 minus 3z2 when z2 by z1 is purely imaginary. So the answer is 1. Okay. Next, so this type of question is very important, dear students. Even 2014 also they asked in the JMNs. This type of question especially is very important. So in this properties we need to apply. Given mod z is greater than or equal to 2, so it implies that 2 is less than or equal to mod z. Am I right? So but the question is mod z plus 1 by 2 are required. So 2 is less than or equal to, here mod z is there now. So here I am adding plus 1 by 2 minus subtracting 1 by 2. So this is the turning step, dear students. So later on mod z1 minus z2, so we can take 2 is less than or equal to z plus 1 by 2. You take it as one number, one complex number minus another complex number. So difference of two complex numbers when it is less than or equal to 2 here before, it comes as mod z plus 1 by 2 plus mod 1 by 2. So that implies that 2 is less than or equal to mod z plus 1 by 2 plus mod 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. That 1 by 2 I am transforming into this side. So it comes as 2 minus 1 by 2 is less than or equal to mod z plus 1 by 2. Yeah. So 2 minus 1 by 2 is 4 minus 1, 3 by 2 is less than or equal to mod z plus 1 by 2. So whenever 3 by 2 is less than or equal to some complex number, is less than or equal to something, this is minimum value, this is maximum value, but it is not there, maximum value. So the answer is, this is the minimum value. So this is minimum value. Of this complex number mod z plus 1 by 2. So the answer is, here it is 3 by 2 or 1.5 also. Integer type question. Yeah. Okay, dear students, thank you all of you. Signing off, Maths with Phanendra. So once you go through that complete answer,